Next Tuesday, Dallas Cowboys running back Ezekiel Elliott will appear before hearing officer Harold Henderson. Elliott will face an unenviable task, convincing the NFL's former executive vice president for labor relations that his old boss, NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell, got it wrong in suspending Elliott for 6 games. The suspension reflects allegations made by Elliott's former girlfriend, Tiffany Thompson, who insists that the 22-year-old Elliott beat her on multiple occasions in Columbus, Ohio, during the week of July 16, 2016. Goodell, along with a panel of 4 experts, weighed witness statements, medical records and other evidence in concluding that Elliott violated Article 46 of the CBA. Article 46 forbids conduct detrimental to the integrity of, or public confidence in, the game of professional football. The length of Elliott's suspension follows the league's domestic violence policy. The domestic violence policy is a league interpretation of Article 46 and calls for a 6-game suspension as a first-time punishment for domestic violence. Elliott, who received Pro Football Weekly Pro Football Writers of America 2016 Rookie of the Year award, steadfastly maintains his innocence. Among other points, Elliott highlights that he has not been charged with a crime, let alone convicted of one, and that text messages and witness affidavits raise serious questions about Thompson's motivations and truthfulness. Here are 8 key questions and answers heading into the appeal. Henderson will likely be fair and the hearing is the real deal. It reflects a collectively bargained right for Elliott and the NFLPA. Henderson will have 3 choices in regard to Elliott's suspension: uphold, reduce or vacate. If Henderson upholds the suspension, Elliott will miss the first 6 games of the 2017 regular season. Alternatively, Henderson could reduce the suspension, perhaps to 4 games. In a best-case scenario for Elliott, Henderson could vacate the suspension altogether. Henderson is well known and respected among league and team officials, as well as with persons connected to the NFLPA. In 1991, Henderson became the highest-ranking black executive in the history of the NFL. Then Commissioner Paul Tagliabue hired Henderson, who at the time was 48 years old, as executive vice president for labor relations. Henderson would serve other roles for the NFL, including as chairman of the NFL's Management Council Executive Committee and as a hearing officer for dozens of player appeals concerning personal conduct and drug issues. Prior to joining the NFL, the Harvard Law School grad served as vice president and general counsel for Amtrak. Earlier in his distinguished legal career, Henderson was a labor attorney at the prestigious law firm Morgan, Lewis Bockius. For more information, please follow the link below the video.